Alrighty, guys, like I say, I'm going to check out. Is she here? Yeah, there's the car right there. It's PT Cruise. Y'all know the drill. Ever since you did remember I told y'all I had to cheat this one. I had to redo a hard reset on the battery. So in her mind, when I did that, now her battery goes dead and won't start. All right, I'm just gonna go over here and dispel this myth or this rumor. I still need to cater to my customer, whether what they saying is ridiculous or not. Okay, I want to verify because she cool. I like her, and I told her I know it's Christmas Day. I was dropped by. I just happened to have my jump box with me. We're gonna see, because remember when you open the door on these, because it's a convertible, that window's supposed to go down 2 centimeters to clear. Yeah, see the window hanging out like that? Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, put some battery juice to it and see what, yeah, that's not a good look. And if it rains, it can get in there. So y'all hold tight. Let me see if this thing will take a jump. They said they jumped it off. However, it had no power, so I don't know what's up with that. Yes, and it's dead right now, guys. All right, let's pop the hood. Let's see what's going on.
So, yeah, I first jumped it, and like the dash lights and everything came on. You know, left it running and everything. And then left it running for a while. And then she said when she put it in gear, that's when everything died.
Oh, right. Did you put it in gear?
Yeah.
Okay, so you did get it running?
Yeah, like when I jumped the first time, got it running. She said she put it in gear and then it died. And then after that, like, not even, I tried to jump it again. Not even the dash lights or anything would come on.
Now nothing comes on?
Nothing comes on now.
Okay. Yeah, I don't even see it powering up. Oh yeah, nothing powering up. Uh-oh.
Yeah, nothing was happening the second time I tried to jump. After it shut off.
All right. Well, I got 12 volts to it. Let's see something. Oh. Let's see, the thing about it, if I pull this jump box off and it dies, that's like partially testing your alternator. Yeah, I'm pushing out 14 volts. So the alternator's charging now. Did you ever drive it?
No, because after I got started, I looked at idle for 5 minutes. And then she gave me a drive, because that's the drive we put in gear.
Okay. What I'm gonna go around the block, see if me driving it would charge it back up, and we'll go from there. Okay. So let me go around the block. Alrighty, guys, let's go test drive this thing. I had to kick it to where the idle would stay up, because with the idle being low, when I take my jump back off, it's dive. Now that penny I put in there gonna fall out as soon as I give it gas. So let's go on a test drive and see if we can charge this thing up. Let's get it. So I'm test driving this thing, guys. I decided to go ahead and start a long video because this short video is just extremely too short. I think I've been 5-10 miles, maybe 5 miles tops. I'm gonna go in here, and what I want to do is turn it off and see if it start back up. Okay, if it start back up, that tells me that the alternator partially charged the battery back up. Now what that basically would let me know that the battery simply drained overnight, because maybe something was left on. All right, this car, this is an 04 model. There's not a lot of modules, gadgets, and gadgets on this car. However, it's the simplest thing can pull this thing down. Okay, we got it's a convertible top. We got power windows. All kinds of crazy stuff can leave this thing running. All right, so here goes the test of time. Let me turn it off. See if it start back up. I got my jump box just in case it don't. Yes, I was smart enough to bring this from the shop. Here we go. It's off. I still got power. Yep. Well, okay, again, how can I sum this up? That lets me know that the alternator is charging. It in fact did charge the battery back up. Those alternators working, guys. Don't go throwing no alternator in your car just because your battery did. You need to find out why your battery did. Now, does that test the battery? Not exactly, guys. It's not a good test of the battery, all right? You could have a battery with a dead cell in it that would do that. Okay, just because I was able to crank the car right back up doesn't mean your battery is good. At this point in time, all the auto parts stores are closed. I probably can go to a parts store and get a battery tester, a portable one. What it would do is test deep cells. Now, I'm not sure if they real extremely portable where they do all of that, but they will tell you the surface charge condition of that battery. For instance, is it able to take a charge and hold a charge? That information is crucial, guys. So like I say, today is Christmas. I'm out here doing this stuff because I'm a nice guy. Yeah, there's not much I can do today, so I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to tell this lady. First of all, let me get back to my spot. And I'm going to go under there and check a few more things because she did the history and found out that we replaced the battery. In fact, I did. She told me, you the one put it on. I remember. I was checking my old videos. I guarantee I probably got a video doing the battery on this particular car. I'm her lifelong mechanic. She's a nice lady, older lady, and they get paranoid over the smallest of things. Oh my goodness. I mean, JT, I heard a noise. Lady, wait a minute. It's an 04 model. It's okay. Stop it. Yeah, it's okay, guys. Should I go? This thing got a turbo in it. Of course I can beat it. This is a PT Cruiser with a freaking turbo. Yeah, y'all think this is, man? This ain't no joke car, man. This is the real deal. This is the real deal. Turbo, 2.4 liter, dual overhead cam. I barely touched the accelerator. I put some G's in my back. Okay, let me stop clowning around. What was I? Yes, I got to figure out something to tell her because here's what I'm going to do. I got it. I'm finna take this thing back. She have nowhere to go today. Today is Christmas. Nobody going nowhere. I'm the only dummy out doing car stuff. No, she live right up the street, like I say, and I'm in a car that I gotta drive anyway. So go figure. I can kill two birds at one stone. I gotta put some miles on that Durango to see if that thing is fixed. And why not stop by and take care of this at the same time? So it worked out great. Now, what was I saying? I'll figure out what I'll tell her when I get there, guys. So I tell you what, y'all hold tight, man. Let me get through this. Let me get back to my spot, and we'll talk some more from there. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, I'm back at my destination. So, like I said, what I'm gonna do is just that. Nothing. I'm done here. Alright, it starts right back up. So now let me make sure, because I don't know if she did this. As you can see, the headlights are on. Make sure all the switches are off. The little switch here. Everything else, power is off, supposedly. Now, this is an older model car. Things like glove box light, all that stuff matters. All right, let me get him the scoop on everything that's going on. Yeah, stay tuned. I want to make sure everything is off in here. You know, like ain't nothing.
Sometimes when you because the key cylinder, if it's not in a certain position, it'll leave things on.
Oh, it will, and run the battery down.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not cool.
It looks fine that there.
So I don't know. In the morning.
Mhm.
Yeah, good. Cause I saw it was just lagged over before. In the morning, fire it up and see what. Oh shit! Yeah, let me grab my jump box out of there. All right, appreciate it. Like I say, let's fire it up in the morning or whenever she get ready to go somewhere. I said I don't want to, kill off the battery just yet. I personally think she left something on.
No, I didn't. No,
and she don't want to admit it.
I'm actually going to back up on this. You were the last one to have it.
Oh, since the emissions.
Yeah.
Did you ever go get the emissions? Or they mail it to you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did mine like that. I didn't have to stand in that long line. God, I hate standing in that line.
All right, thank you, baby.
Oh yeah, you good. You good. I was out in this area anyway, so I figured I'd swing by. That's the customer's car. I gotta drive it to see what's wrong with it. All right, see you. All right, we're done here, guys. That was interesting. Now, leave one problem and go straight to another problem. Go figure. It's your boy JT. I'm out, man. Let me get out of here. Thanks for watching.